Let us see call by address. I have a same program that is for swapping two numbers, and already we have seen that in call by value, values will not be swapped. So here for call by address, I should pass address of these actual parameters. Actual values are x and y, so I'll send addresses. Now I got a message that there is no matching function. So here I must write down pointers. So these are pointers, a and b are pointers, and these are pointers, so I should derefer them by using asterisk. So this is the change in the syntax. Now here, after swapping the values, if I display the values will be swapped. So here I am displaying the values, and also NL. Let us run this program and see. See, here I am passing x and y values by address, and these are the pointers which will directly modify these x and y values. So these x and y values will be swapped. When I display, I'll get 20, 10. So here I got the values, that is 20 and 10. These two values are displayed here. So that's it. This is call by address, where the formal parameters are pointers and the formal parameters can indirectly modify the actual parameters. Now next, let us look at call by reference. So in call by reference, I'll just modify the same code. See how simple call by reference is. I will remove this ampersands, and here I will remove pointers and I will make them as references. Then here I don't have to write asterisks, so asterisks are removed. Now these a and b will be referring to this x and y. So I'll show you here by displaying addresses of a and b. Ampersand a, that is address of a, then ampersand b, the address of b. And here, before displaying their values, I will display address of x and y, ampersand x and ampersand y. You can see that the addresses of x and y and here a and b will be same, because these a and b are nothing but x and y only. See here, this is the address of a and the address of b, and this is the address of x and address of y. The y address and the b value is same, and here the value of a and x is same, so their addresses are same. So it means it's the same variable, so it's not creating any other variable separately. A refers to the same thing. So what happens here is that though we have written it as a function, but it will not be called like a function. This machine code of the swap function will be pasted at this place, and in our program it remains as a function only, but the machine code that we get will not be having two different modules, it will be having a single module. The machine code that we will get will not be having two pieces of function, there will be a single piece of function. So finally I can say that call by value should be used when you don't want the function to modify anything, just it has to compute and return the result. Call by address you can use when you want the function to modify actual parameters. And call by reference is also used for same purpose, but it can be used only for simple functions. If inside this call by reference function, I'll just write something here and show you. Integer I as 0, I less than 10 and I plus plus, then I will just write something here, cout I. So if I write any complex code like this, loops or something, this function will no longer be using call by reference. It may become call by address. Automatically compiler will change it. So therefore we should not write any complex code inside the functions which are using call by reference. So that's all about parameter passing methods.